Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the printing and packaging industry, looking at the key challenges within this industry, including challenges with ink migration, especially issues with some inks having magnetic properties which have an effect on traditional linear motors. Then we will tell you why motion control products have the all-in-one solution for this challenge. Let's explore why motion control products have the solution for conquering ink migration and elevating your printing and packaging efficiency with a new concept of linear motor without the magnets within the plate as your traditional linear motor would have. We have our MMF3, a revolutionary magnet-free track linear motor. This completely transforms the performance, safety, and cost-effectiveness of linear motors. These motors have continuous force capabilities and high-speed operations, setting unprecedented standards for efficiency in the industry. Our MMF3 motors can help your machinery operate at its absolute peak, consistently delivering exceptional results. It's not just about performance, as safety is also a huge benefit, eliminating worries about magnetic fields and ensuring peace of mind during every assembly and operation, with people and application safety in mind. Moreover, the MMF3 contributes to a more efficient and reliable solution, with an extended product lifespan, reduced electromagnetic interference, and superior force protection, optimizing operations beyond just problem fixing. You can also forget about having excessive costs associated with rare earth materials, as motion control products delivers not just a solution but a sustainable one, offering substantial cost savings for your business. Overall, the MMF3 magnet-free track linear motors redefine efficiency, safety, and offer economic advantages, propelling your operations into a sustainable future. As well as our MMF3 range, we also have our all-in-one solution for this application. From HMI human-machine interface to servo motors and accessories, and CNC and motion controllers, we've got you covered at every step of your automation journey. Our HMI provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface for enhanced control and monitoring. Whether you're looking for precision control or streamlined communication, our HMI solutions elevate your operational experience. Our servo motors and accessories, another cornerstone of our offerings, ensure precision and reliability in motion control. These motors are designed to meet the most demanding applications, providing the torque, speed, and accuracy required for optimal performance. Finally, CNC and motion controllers empower you with advanced control capabilities. Whether you're navigating intricate machine processes or orchestrating complex motion sequences, our controllers bring a new dimension to precision and efficiency. There you have your all-in-one solution for ink migration in the printing and packaging industry. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay in the loop with our weekly videos.